Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell, I'm barefaced. It's going to be a makeup video. I've got some new drugstore pieces to share with you guys. So some of them are going to be first impressions because I haven't tried them yet. And then others I've tried, but I'm going to give you my opinions on them because some of these are a bargain, let me tell you. So let's just jump straight on into it. Okay, so the first thing I picked up to try is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and this is a full coverage foundation and it claims to last up to 24 hours. So if this does, I feel like it's going to be all of our best friends. As you can tell, I got the shade to match me when I'm tanned, and I'm not that tanned right now. It's kind of faded. I'm like 4 or 5 days into my tan, so it's going to be too dark, but I'm just going to have to spread it down my neck. I haven't actually tried this foundation yet, so I can't wait to see what it's like because I've seen so many people rave on about it. I'm just going to put a few pumps on my hand. As you can tell straight away, it's actually quite a thick foundation. It's running a little bit, but I didn't think it's going to be that thick. So this looks like it's going to be pretty full coverage. By the way, guys, I've got a mirror down here, so I will be looking down here for some of the video, but you'll still be able to see clearly what I'm putting on. Oh, I forgot to say, I picked this up in the shade Beige. This is quite dark. I think this would be my perfect tan shade, but for now, it is quite dark, but it should be fine. So I'm just going to blend that out. That was 3 pumps, and hopefully it's good coverage. Okay, so that is the foundation all blended out. It is far too dark for me, but I already knew that. It is a really nice coverage, very matte. So if you don't like that, then I don't think it's going to be the foundation for you, but I really like that because I'm an oily mess 99% of the time. So I think I'm gonna like this foundation, to be honest. I kind of want to get it in a paler shade, just see what it's like when I'm not fake tanned. In regards to the shade, if you want a really nice golden tan shade, definitely try this one. So yeah, thumbs up to the foundation, so we're off to a good start. Okay, so the next thing I've got to try, I've actually never tried before, which is probably going to be a surprise to some of you because everyone raved about this at one point. So it is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. As I said, I haven't tried this one yet, but I've heard, I'm pretty sure it's meant to be a dupe for like the NARS Radiant Glow. Is it Radiant Glow? No, NARS Creamy Concealer. Exactly the same packaging for a start, so hopefully it's the same because I really, really like that concealer. I picked this up in the shade 20. So I'm going to conceal the normal areas that I would conceal. So that would just be under my eyes and on my nose, on my head, and then just a bit on my chin. The first thing I would say about this product is the applicator is tiny, and I don't normally like that in a concealer. I just prefer it to be a bit thicker, just so you can get it done a bit quicker, you know. I don't want to be spending 20 minutes distributing concealer onto my face, but if it's a good concealer, then I guess I'll get over it. I guess, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so this is normally how I put my concealer on, so I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'll let you guys know what I think of the coverage and the concealer in general. Right, so concealer all blended in. I like it. It's given me like a nice glow and it's brightened the areas I wanted it to. It's not the most amazing coverage though, I wouldn't say. Like, it's okay, but I wouldn't rave about it and go buy it again. A drugstore concealer, I'm sure you already know what I'm going to say. If you are wanting a really full coverage concealer, is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, I think it's called. But yeah, concealer's okay if you're looking for a new concealer at a really affordable price. But like I said before, if you want a full coverage one, then definitely try out the Makeup Revolution. You will not be disappointed, trust me, it is amazing. Like, such a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. So if you love the Tarte Shape Tape, then save your coins and definitely head to Superdrug and try that one. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Okay, so I have 2 different setting powders here to try. I've got the Fit Me by Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder, and I've got the Collection Sheer Loose Powder here. This one I have tried before and I do like it, but it leaves a bit of a, like a colour to my face, and I'm already a bit darker than I need to be, as you can tell by the face and the hands. So I think I'm going to go for this one because this is sheer. I had proper lisp then, did you hear that? This is sheer. This is a sheer loose powder, so hopefully this isn't going to add any colour to my face because I'm already looking about 10 shades darker than my body. So hopefully this one goes well because this was super cheap. I think this was about £4, so if this is good, then give it a go. I'm actually just going to pop some on the lid and try it with my beauty blender. I'll do a bit of baking for you guys so we can try it that way because I normally do that with a loose powder anyway, so I think that's the fairest way of trying it. So I'm just going to pick some up on my sponge and start to bake. Okay, first impression before I even do the rest of my face. It is kind of creasing me under the eye already there, and my favourite powder from Too Faced does not do that. So we'll see once I've blended it all in, but I don't think this is going to be a powder that suits me, just because I do crease so easily, but we will see once I blended it all in. Okay, so I did say I was going to bake with that, but when I was putting it under my eyes, it was kind of just sinking into the skin anyway, so I haven't actually baked. I've just kind of pressed it into the skin, but I do that sometimes anyway, so that doesn't really bother me. I also like the finish of that method. It has really creased under my eyes though. I crease so easily with powders, so it really takes me a while to find one I really like. So my favourites that aren't drugstore, kind of going off topic, is the Too Faced Born This Way or the Too Faced Sweet Peach powders. They are perfect. They don't make me crease at all, and I just love the finish of them. They're really soft. They don't make my makeup feel heavy or anything like that. So if you're willing to spend a bit more on a powder, then definitely try out either of the Too Faced ones. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. They are my favourites by far. But yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that collection one. My face is so matte, because obviously that foundation was really matte, and then the powder. Hopefully this is going to stay though, because I'm an oily mess, as I said before. My only issue is I didn't actually pick up a highlighter. So I'm just going to be flat as a pancake. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is the c.y.o bronzer. I picked this up in shade Fair. I have used this in a video before, so obviously this isn't a first impression. But I love this bronzer. The colour of it is so nice. It's quite a warm toned bronzer. I do need to pick up the dark one of this though, so I think they just go fair and then dark, but I think this was like £2.50. What a bargain. I love this, as I just said. This is my everyday bronzer at the minute, so I thought I would just pop this in the video so you guys know about this one. Definitely, I think I got this in Boots, so head down to your local Boots and have a look at them, because they have a massive range of c.y.o products. And yeah, I really like them. I haven't got a contour shade as such today, so I'm just going to go around my whole face and sort of warm it up and add a bit of definition with this bronzer. Otherwise I'm just going to be looking like the moon emoji, and no one wants that, so I'm just going to add a bit of definition into my face now with the bronzer. So, face is looking a bit warmer. As I said, I already know that I love this bronzer, so if you haven't checked this out before, definitely check it out. I mean, it's worth it. It is so cheap and it's really good. As I said, it's a bit more buildable than like instant pigment, but I think most people will like this. It's a really nice shade. It's not too warm, not too cool. It's just that perfect bronzer, like holiday bronzer. You know what I mean? Right, so the next product is actually a blusher. I have never tried this, but I see so many people get sent it in PR and stuff like that. And it looks like a really nice, like peachy, warm bronzer, which is the blusher, which are the type of blushes that I like wearing. So it's L'Oreal Paris, oh my god, I cannot speak. L'Oreal Paris Life's a Peach blusher in the shade 01 Peach Addict. So yeah, you can kind of see there, it's like a really nice, warm, peachy kind of tone, which I like. I don't like anything too pink on me. I think it would look better now, but when I was really blonde, it just kind of made, I don't know, I just didn't like the look of it. But yeah, this looks like a really nice blusher, so let's see what this is like. Ooh. I think it's got a bit of a shimmer to it, you know? Yeah, it does. I really like that. It's got like a bit of a almost gold reflect to it, which I actually really like. I don't normally like stuff like that in my bronzers and blushes, but that is so pretty. Yeah, guys, if you have not tried this, then definitely check it out. It's added like a really nice sheen to my cheeks, but it looks really natural. You just kind of look like a golden goddess, and who doesn't want to look like a golden goddess, you know? Okay, so I don't actually have a new brow pencil to share with you guys, so I'm going to quickly go do those off camera and I'll be back in a second. Right, brows are done. And if I do say so myself, they're looking pretty good today. So the brows are always a struggle, so I'm happy with that. The next thing that I'm going to try out with you guys, I've never tried before. I've never even tried anything from this brand before, actually. And it is from the brand Obsession Makeup London. And it's, yeah, it just says love every shade. So I don't know if that's what this palette is called. I guess the palette is called Love Every Shade. Cool name, guys. Okay, I can't open this. Hands. I can't be obsessed with your palette if I can't get into it. No, just broken nail. Too much effort to get into this palette. And we're in. Okay, so this is the palette, just a really nice neutral palette. There are 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades in it, so a really good mixture. You've obviously got a black here, which is handy for any going out look or anything you just want to deepen up a bit. This looks really pretty actually, so I really can't wait to try this. Okay, I'm first of all just going to go in with the shade Fresh just to set my whole lid. Quite a lot of kickback in the pan, but I don't mind if they're pigmented. Oh. Okay. That is genuinely so pigmented. By the way, I'm using like all the wrong brushes for everything today because I need to clean them. You girl don't have time for that, you know, so no rules here. Okay, I'm then gonna go straight in with the shade Unique into my crease, which is a really nice, rich, warm brown colour. I've got a feeling these are gonna be quite pigmented. Okay, so I don't know if that's picking up well on camera, but genuinely guys, these are really nice, really easy to blend, really nice and pigmented, and the best of all, I'm pretty sure this whole palette was £4. I'll double check, so I'll leave the links of everything down below, but I'm pretty sure this was £4. And it's really buildable as well, like I'm really able to go in there and build this colour up. Little bit of fallout, but that's fine, we can deal with that. This look is going to be super easy, super chilled, so I'm going to go in. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Thrill, which is a really nice like rose goldy colour. It looks stunning. Ooh, that is buttery. That is so nice. Hopefully this applies well on the lid, because honestly guys, this is such a buttery shade. Oh my god. Seriously? Okay, so I can't see how well that's picking up on camera, but this is so nice. Especially these shades, they are literally feel like butter on my fingers. That applied like a dream. Okay, I'm just going to go in and do the same on this eye quick, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so both eyes done. I am so impressed with this palette. I'm not even kidding. £4 this whole palette cost me for these shades. The shimmery shades on this, no joke, are like butter. You have to try this. I'm just going to go underneath the eye with that dark shade that I used. I'm just going to mainly concentrate on the outside of the eye. I'm super impressed. The pigment on these guys is honestly so good. If you've seen these in your local boot stores, then I honestly recommend for you to pick them up. They are stunning. Wow, wow, wow. I am so impressed with this palette. This definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I'm just now going to go in with some mascara and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so lashes are on. I've actually put on my new favourites, which are the Eyelure Most Wanted in Gimme Gimme. These are stunning. I think they're about £11, but they quite often do like 3 for 2 or something like that on them. So quite good considering I think I've worn them about 8 or 9 times now. They're a really nice fluttery lash, and yeah, they just look really wispy. They're not too thick or anything like that. Yeah, probably the nicest drugstore lashes I've ever tried. So if you are on the hunt for a new pair of lashes to try out, definitely give these a go. As I say, I've used them probably about 8 or 9 times now, and they are pretty much good as new. So can't complain about those. These are definitely up there with my favourite lashes now. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to go in with is this NYX lip liner in the colour Cocoa? Cocoa? I'm not sure. It's just this really deep brown shade. I swatched this on my hand the other day and it looks to be a really nice warm brown colour, so let's see what it's like on the lip. I must have been feeling like really autumnal or something when I picked this up, because this is just not me. If you know me, I wear nudes all the time. I mean, sometimes we like venture out to a nudie pink, but never brown. Okay, so lips lined. I'm just going to smudge it in a bit. Okay, so to go with that, again, like a mile, 5 miles actually, out of my comfort zone, I picked up this NYX Slip Tease lip lacquer in the shade Shady, and it's just a really nice warm chocolatey brown. Again, I thought this would look really nice with the liner, so let's give this one a go. Apparently this formula is really nice, so hopefully. Oh, it smells of like mint chocolate. Okay, so that's a winner for me already. Don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I like trying new things, but I don't know if I like that on me. I think it's a bit too like vampy on me. I'm not sure. The formula is really nice though. It smells really nice, really thick, and look how glossy this is. Just not sure about the colour. Okay guys, so I think that is everything done. I overall love the foundation. It's a really nice matte finish, so if you are not a matte finish type of girl, I don't think you're gonna like this, or if you've got dry skin, probably not for you, but my oily skin girls, I think you're gonna love this, so definitely try it out. The eyeshadows I am so impressed with. I'm gonna go pick up another palette because I think they had like 4 or 5 other palettes, so I think I'm gonna go pick up another one of those just so I can try it out because I am obsessed with how this eye makeup looks. The lip, I'm not sure on this. I think it's a bit too out of my comfort zone for my liking. Sorry, I keep looking down here because I've got a mirror here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I think I'm going to stick to my nude shades from now on. But anyway, if you did enjoy this video, then please subscribe. I'd love to see you back on my channel. Like this video if you did enjoy it. It really helps me out. And comment down below. Do you like makeup videos? Do you prefer fashion videos? Whichever, I don't mind. It just really helps me out to know what to film for you guys. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye!